Yo, it's Yeti checking in. The wind is brutal out here in this snowstorm, dropping to minus 10 degrees. My fur is freezing up already.
It's your boy, Yeti. The storm eased a bit to minus 5 degrees, but I need a place to dig in. Can't stay exposed much longer. All right, team. Yeti, starting the snow cave build. This minus 10 degree storm is no joke. Gotta get sheltered before night. Yeti here inside my half-built snow cave. The blizzard is howling at minus 10 degrees, but this will block the wind soon. Building stronger walls now. It's Yeti reporting. Dropped to minus 5 inside the cave. Way better than the storm outside. But snow cave done. Yeti here. Day 1 wrap up with Yeti. Survived the initial minus 10 degree hit, but food is going to be the real challenge tomorrow. Heading to the lake for fish, it's Yeti. Minus 10 degrees and empty stomach. Survival depends on this hunt. Made it to the lake, Yeti here. 5 degrees now, bro. Waiting patiently now, it's Yeti. Hunger is real in this cold. Minus 10 degrees makes everything harder. Got one. Yeti scores a fish in minus 10 degrees. This little guy is all I've got for now. Eating time with Yeti. Barely a meal in this minus 5 degree cold, but it keeps me going through the storm. That was it for food today, see. Yeti here. Barely ate. Survived another round in minus 10 degree blizzard. Heading back to this cave. Night 2 in the snow cave where Yeti signing off. Storm's still raging at minus 10, but I'm hanging on. Day starts. Cold again, it's Yeti. Back to minus 10 degrees, but check if the lake is still accessible. Another win. Yeti got food in minus 5 degrees. Still barely enough, but better than nothing. Savoring every bite. It's Yeti. Barely eating keeps me alive in this ongoing storm. Meal done, Yeti ready for whatever. Minus 10 degrees coming back strong. Back to cave.
Oh, sweet cave, man. Yeti made it. Minus 5 inside feels like luxury after the cold. Night falling. Yeti inside safe. Minus 10 degrees outside, but cave holding strong. Day 4. Yeti rising. Storm sounds louder. Minus 10 degrees waiting for me.
Peeking out, miss. It's Yeti. Blizzard intensified overnight to minus 10 degrees.
Too dangerous today. Yeti staying put. Minus 10 degrees storm raging. No hunt. Hunger day with Yeti. Barely ate yesterday. And minus 5 inside isn't helping. Passing time carving. It's Yeti. Stuck in cave during minus 10 degree peak storm. No food today, Yeti here. Surviving on willpower. It's freezing cold.
Storm is loud today, Yeti enduring. Minus 10 degrees, testing my limits.
Conserving energy. It's Yeti. Barely moving. Stay warm in the cave. Evening in the cave. Yeti holding on. Storm might ease soon, minus 10. Another night survived. Yeti sleeping. Dreaming of fish tomorrow. Woke up better. It's Yeti. Minus 5-inch cave. Storm calm hunt.
Out again, Yeti ready. Minus 10 degrees, but visibility improved.
Lake time again, the Yeti. It's Yeti. Minus 10 degree survival continues with hunting.
Starting to hunt early. Yeti here. Minus 10 degrees, but I need food bad.
Waiting game again.
It's Yeti.
Hunger growing in this minus 5-degree calm.
Yes.
Bigger one today. Yeti scores in minus 10-degree cold.
Best meal yet, but still barely eating dead. Yeti surviving the storm. Do it up a bit. It's Yeti. Heading home satisfied. Yeti here. Good hunt in the cold.
Back safe, days. Yeti made it. Minus 5 inside feels great.
Post-meal chill. It's Yeti. Surviving better with a little food.
Thinking about the journey, Yeti vlogging. Storm still at minus 10 outside. Good night, everyone. Yeti resting strong after today's fish.
Day 5 strong start. It's Yeti.
Minus 10 degrees away. That's dead. A motivated walk. Yeti here. We keep the food coming in cold. Patience testing me today. It's Yeti.
Minus 5 wind makes it tough. Only a small one, fake. Yeti got something, but barely enough. Energy boost fading fast. Yeti.
Tough trek back to back. Yeti feeling the hunger return.
Recovery time. Yeti enduring the survival grind. Sleep to conserve. Yeti out. Dream bigger catches. Strengthening shelter. It's Yeti. Blizzard shaking everything. Real hunger hitting Yeti here. Barely ate yesterday. Tough day.
Mental strength time. Yeti enduring no food day. Early rest tonight. It's Yeti. Hunger and cold winning this round. Surviving another empty day. Yeti sleeping it off. Storm calming. Yeti seeing light. Minus 10, but hunt possible. Out carefully today. It's Yeti. Need fish desperately. Motivated by hunger. Yeti heading to lake in cold. Thicker ice today. Yeti ready for hard work at minus 10.
But it didn't work. It's Yeti breaking minus 10 freeze. Cold wait today. Yeti here. Minus 5 wind chill biting. Yeah. Bigger fish for Yeti in this survival storm.
Powered up trek home. Yeti conquer minus 10 degrees.
Safe with energy. Get that in. Came by saving me. Chill time post-hunt. Yeti recovering strength. Planning tomorrow. It's Yeti. Storm might end soon. Solid sleep tonight. Yeti fueled for more survival. Strong wake up. It's Yeti. At minus 10, I'm solid well prepared. Back with fuel. Yet during mid-survival grind at minus 10. Home routine, it's Yeti. -5 cave my fortress. Halfway thoughts, Yeti here. Cold and hunger building character. Listening to the rage outside. Yeti strong inside.
Tough evening. It's Yeti. Cold winning temporarily.
Pushing through night.
Hearing calm, Yeti hopeful for hunt today.
Hunger drives strong style. Yeti to the lake in cold. All in brick. Yeti needing this -10 hunt. Critical weight. It's Yeti. Through tougher times. Massive one. Yeti saved by big cats today.
Feasting relatively. Yeti rewarding survival effort.